Today we're here in Winter Garden, the historic part of Winter Garden, Plant Street and the surrounding communities. And we're super excited to get to show you all it has to offer. Later on, we will be going down to Horizons West and Hamlin and showing you all that part of Winter Garden. But today's Plant Street, and I love it, and can't wait to share it with everybody. So right now we're standing on the West Orange Trail. This is 22.4 miles long, starts up in Apopka and goes all the way to Killarney Station, which is just past here in Winter Garden. It's Winter Garden, Oakland area is right where it ends, yeah. And that's where, even when our girls were small, we would take our bikes to Killarney Station. We would bike into Plant Street, have brunch. Girls love to have ice cream at that little ice cream parlor over there. Just kind of spend the day and hang out and then ride back.
And that's the beauty of this whole area, and that's the allure of it, right? Because it's about lifestyle. So that's why people are buying here, moving here in droves, because it all plays into this trail runs through not only the middle of Plant Street, but it runs through the middle of communities.
I love just to sit and hang out and grab a bite to eat. The vibe is just really chilled, very family oriented. There's a splash pad. There's a green area next to some outdoor seating. You know, the families can have the kids running around while they're chilling, having a bite to eat.
And it's when we have friends or family in town, we always come down to Plant Street.
So now we're here at the Heritage Museum in Winter Garden, right on Plant Street. The steeple was established in the early 1900s, and it's kind of the anchor for the entire Plant Street vibe. And they really kept the history intact, which makes it just that much more appealing, I think.
Right, it's not something that's been contrived, right? It's actual real. These aren't like new buildings made to look old. They actually were able to keep a lot of these old buildings and refurbish them and really, and I think that's what has kept this whole area so unique. So the prices, I mean, just like any area in Central Florida, there's literally something for everybody, whatever price point you're at. But if we're just talking averages, especially in this Plant Street area, the average sold price over the last 6 months was right around $630,000. Now, to put that in comparison, when you look at Central Florida as a whole, the average price point is around $450,000. So this area is a little bit on the higher side from the averages.
Right, that takes into account condos, townhouses, new builds, and then, of course, the more mature areas that are getting refurbished.
Right, and like Jen was saying, condos all the way up to single families on the lake, right? And it can go up over $2 million in this general area. Location-wise, another reason why Winter Garden has grown so much is because of the 429. We talk about the 429 over and over and over again, but it's so true because it's right off the 429. Just south of here, you have the Florida Turnpike. And then the 429 will take you right to Maitland Boulevard, which takes you right downtown. Whichever side of town you're on, it seems like you're always 30, 35 minutes to wherever you want to be. Right? Same thing with Disney. And
it is true. 20, 25 minutes from Disney from here. 20 minutes to Apopka. And then, of course, we know that extension has gone all the way up to Sandbird. So it really does give you access to, and if you're going to Tampa, you at the 429.
Oh, so talk about that. I mean, they're building another toll road that's connecting Lake and Orange County, which is the latest it goes literally from Highway 27 right to the 429. So
and it's going to be a charging road. So people who have EV vehicles, they actually get to charge their cars as they're driving on this toll road. I mean,
yeah, that's pretty insane.
Really? In Lake County?
Right. The allure of Winter Garden, it's so family oriented. Pet friendly, golf cart friendly. There's always something going on, no matter
I know I saw one cart that was still decorated actually. They have a golf cart parade and everyone puts Christmas lights and decorations on their cart and go down Plant Street. There's 4th of July in the park. There's all kinds of different activities, and the city has really, really stepped up and made this the go-to place when it comes to those kind of events.
We've worked with customers from New York, New Jersey, California, Illinois, overseas. I mean, they are literally coming from everywhere to escape. Let's be honest. I mean, these other states are high taxes. A lot of them are running in huge deficits. Florida is just a great place. I'm so happy that we found it over 20 years ago now, right? And it was a relocation situation with the company I was working for at the time. But we really lucked out as far as them saying, hey, we have an opening in Florida versus an opening back in New Jersey where I'm from. There's a reason why people are moving here. And it's a multitude of things. And I mean, for our kids' sake too, I mean, the schools, right? I mean, we're so fortunate with bright futures. The opportunities are endless.
But here just in Plant Street itself, our Winter Garden Plant Street area, people of all ages. We have, retirees relocating here. We have young professionals because it is centrally located, like we were talking about earlier. And we have, people who have grown up in Winter Garden and say, I want to stay here. Like they're loyal to their little community and want to have their families grow up here as well.
I mean, the walkability, I would say, is if you've bought a property right off of Plant Street. That's why these communities now, that's why the city has allowed golf carts, right? Because we're a little further out right now. And yeah, you could still walk it. But is it a little easier to hop your golf cart and go downtown? And I think that's strategic by the city's mindset to bring more people in, right? To make it more accessible.
So if you're thinking of relocating to the Plant Street area of Winter Garden, then please give us a call or text us. We can also comment Plant Street and we'll get you our relocation guide as a resource so you can make your informed decision on whether this is right for you or not.
And as always, these videos are brought to you by Team Frida, Jen and Matt. We are real people here in Central Florida, been helping over 1,000 buyers and sellers and investors. So please like our videos, subscribe to our channel, and also comment if there's any other areas that you're interested in learning more about. We work all of Central Florida, and also we have a network of agents now with LPT across all the United States and parts of Canada that we can also help you find agents in your area as well. So please reach out to us, Matt and Jen, 407-383-4021. We want to be your resource for all things real estate here in Central Florida.